In 1947, princely state Kashmir came under the control of India on the basis of some conditions and promises. After decades, one day in Kashmir. When I see outside the beauty of Kashmir, I really accept. If there is paradise on earth, it is this, it is this. But when I step into this paradise, I have seen empty streets and police barricade seize every street. Funerals of young people on the shoulders of old age people. Mothers are crying for their dead sons. Sisters are weeping for their dead brothers. Youths carrying stones in their hands. People of all age groups are on the roads. First, I guess it is a war against development. But when I see people have no fear to die, then my mind has changed. I guess it may be the uneducated youth who have insight or provoked by someone or maybe paying someone to raise this agitation. All these happenings are surrounding in my mind like a mystery. To know what are the facts, I decide to go ground zero. While I walking a few distance, I have seen little kids are protesting and raising slogans.
Because of curfew, our school has been closed for about 40 days.
Okay.
It is not first time in my life. I have already seen in 2010. Now we all students want to complete solution of this, and we and my friends write a letter to the Prime Minister of India. And the letter is here, and my friend has also write a letter to the Prime Minister of Pakistan.
We are psychologically disturbed due to the loss of our precious time for our school. Now we are requesting the PM of Pakistan and India to think about complete solution.
Little bit I understand, but not clearly. To make it all clear, I continued my walk. Again, for a few distance, I have seen clashes happening between the civilians and armed forces. force use pellet guns to scatter the protesters. In many countries, these guns are used to control animals. Injury rose in this clash, so I go to the hospital to see the injured pupils. Why I have seen more than 300 people lost their eyesight, including a 4-year-old girl.
21 साल मेरी एज है, मुझ पे पैलेट इस्तेमाल। अभी तो मेरा पेशेंट भाई छोटा बच्चा था, वो 8-9 साल का, दोनों आंखें उसकी बर्बाद हो गई। क्या करेगा वो बच्चा?
जुम्मा नमाज पढ़ के निकले बाहर, लोग जो पत्थर मारे तो हमारी तरफ दौड़ कर आए, तो इनने हम पे हमला कर, मेरे आँख डैमेज हो गई और मेरे घर वाले परेशान है, मैं भी परेशान हूँ।
Very subtle and a peaceful way to demonstrate our resentment against the use of excessive force, and we somehow want an end to this vicious circle of violence.
The condemnation is not enough. We expect more and more international groups to come forward and condemn the use of these heinous weapons which the Indian state is using against the people of Jammu and Kashmir. We are hopeful that now the international community will wake up and shun its prejudice towards the people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Misusing these powers, the draconian powers they have given, they are killing the innocent people, the non-combatant Kashmiri, for the awards and rewards they are getting from the government.
I came back from the hospital. After walking a mile, I have seen people offering namaz on the road. But when I come close, I see this is the funeral namaz of somebody as a sixth fear which Kashmir read every day. Again, I heard a voice of thousands of men and women raise their voice. I decided to take the rest to the university campus, which is nearby me. When I reached, I have seen some same situation as everywhere in Kashmir. Students assembling ground and raising slogans. Go back, 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 I left the university and ran towards my room. News comes on the national channel. Educated youth engage with arms in Kashmir.
आतंकी हाई स्कूल का टॉपर था।
परे ने इशाक की मौत के बाद एक अंग्रेजी अखबार को इशाक के बारे में बताया। उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे बेटे ने 2011 में हाई स्कूल की परीक्षा 98.4% से पास की। पूरे कश्मीर जोन में बोर्ड की परीक्षा में 9वां स्थान हासिल किया। वो एक टॉपर था।
बैचलर ऑफ आर्ट्स का स्टूडेंट था, जबकि जाकिर इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई कर रहा था। दोनों आतंकी दक्षिण।
Without taking rest, I have decided to talk with local people to know why these things happen. First, I met one of the researchers of Kashmir.
If we talk about the duration of this issue, it has been since India and Pakistan was created, if we say precisely from 1948, this issue is still pending. And from time to time, there has been demand from the people that this issue has to be resolved. Every section of the society, we have been demanding that India and Pakistan, they should implement the United Nations resolution, which India has taken the initiative when there was partition in the state. So already more than 17 resolutions have been passed in the United Nations. So this is a demand from every sector of the society, from students, from intellectuals of the valley, that they should go for those resolutions and solve this issue. And this is very bad when they say that these are unemployed or they are ignorant youth who are pelting stones or like that. But this is very unfortunate. They are not understanding the situation. These are highly educated youth who are on the roads. They want peace. You look at the economy. So we have never what we say. Our economy has always been stabilized even under those conditions. So this is very bad when center says that the foreign agencies, they are putting money in this and even they are paying 500 or something. That is not the case. We have better economy than the rest of the Indian state. And if you look at the agitators, what they use the term for that, we must what we say that we should not support that term when we call us as agitators. We are just demanding our rights from Indian state, which they have promised when India and Pakistan was created. Even the non-Muslim community, they have been demanding for United Nations resolution. So we cannot say that this is only one section of the society or it is only the valley which constitutes nearly 14 districts who are demanding this what we call the azadi or freedom. But all the parts of our state who have been struggling for this demand from 1948, from 1989 when the armed struggle began here, because there was no need for going for the armed struggle. But looking at the seriousness of this Indian state, that is why the youth who are highly educated, they pick up the arms so that the Indian government and the international communities to divert their attention for this issue. And unfortunately, we have lost more than 1 lakh people here, ranging from infants up to the 90 years of age. So every section of the society has been badly hit.
After that, I met another research scholar.
And this is the outcome of the promise which were never fulfilled. This is what we are seeing today in the streets, on the roads, and the markets of the Kashmir. Every Kashmiri belonging to age group 5, 10, 15, 20, and even the age group of 70s also are being seen on the streets with stones on their hands. This speaks a lot. This speaks a volume. Whosoever refuses tax, that means they are promoting, they are happy in disturbances. See, if anyone dies, whosoever he or she may be, whether he is Hindu, whether he is Muslim, Kashmiri, or anything or anybody else, after all, we are losing an individual, a man, a ashraful makhlukat from this globe. वो कहते हैं ना कि इंसान ही मरता है, इंसानियत का कत्ल होता है, and we have to stop this. We have to stop this. See, if we will not talk, that means we are creating more hurdles, more problems. We are adding fuel to the situation, to the prevailing situation. That is why we are seeing, today we are seeing that more than 7,000 individuals are hit by pellets or they are injured in one or the other way.
500 have lost their sight.
Yes, more than 200 or 300 have lost their eyesight forever. This is an alarming issue, alarming problem, and we have to resolve it. Somebody has to come out of Sikkim. They have to talk. They have to talk with every aspect of Kashmir. Want their political mileage. Every political party in India or in Pakistan, what is the political mileage? And they make issue of the Kashmir and they get their benefits from the Kashmir, both India and Pakistan.
But still, one question is in my mind. The people are also participating in elections and the turnout is more than 60%. Then why these people are now against his own government?
The political parties in Jammu and Kashmir, they have befooled the people. Before election, they give even they give their freedom statement. They said that you vote us to power, and immediately after coming to the power, we will motivate the central government to have the talks with the different stakeholders in Jammu and Kashmir so that a long-lasting issue can be sorted out to this very issue. We will celebrate an alternative to that already. And you take that, if you take the national conference, and they have in the 1996, they said to the people, you vote us to power, you give out this gun culture, you vote us to power. Immediately after coming to the power, we will restore our autonomy here. But after that, people gave them, they were in full majority in that legislative assembly of Jammu and Kashmir. But after that, they prepared a memorandum, they passed a resolution in the assembly, which was turned down by the central government.
I am not met only the Kashmiri educated people, but I also met some common people to know the ground reality.
मगर वो वाद कर पूर कहें तथ पे वनकस जुलम कर मतलब माज बीन जुलम कर मर्दन जुलम कर नबर कर नबर कन मारपीट कर फिक्री तरह मतलब अस पन हक मंगान मतलब दपान है अस दीतो पाकिस्तान अस दीतो बे मुल्क अस पन हक मंगान
अमिस लोय बेस निमा हम तमाम लड़का रट
जब तक हमें ये हिंदुस्तान हम पे ये इतना जुल्म कर रहा है, जब तक ये जुल्म करता रहेगा तब तक हम सहते रहेंगे, जब तक हमें आज़ादी मिलेगी। मरने खतर तैयार आज तह पगह तम क्या मारन क्या मौसम आय मारने बेगुना मगर ना हुकूमत कम पहल कर ना मरकजी हुकूमत कम पहल कर पत कत मारन तम पे डटित रायशुमारी पे रायशुमारी ये पन हक गि मिलन बाकी कुछ मूजूब लड़न।
चैनल वालों को, मीडिया वालों को रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, आप आइए, आप हमारे गेस्ट हैं, आप हमारे मेहमान हैं, लेकिन प्लीज आप गांव में जाओ, आप लोगों से मिलो और आम लोगों से मिलो, जिनको पता ही नहीं है मतलब सिस्टम क्या है, उनको बताओ, वो अपने दिल की बात बताएगा। क्योंकि उसके पास मत जाओ जिसको पहले सिखाते हैं आप क्या बोलो, फिर वो बताता है। आप उसके पास जाओ जिसको कुछ पता ही नहीं, तो आप खुद ब खुद सिचुएशन जान जाओगे कि यहाँ सही है या गलत है। फिर हम आप पे छोड़ेंगे, आप ये दिखाओ, आपका सिस्टम है, आपका नेटवर्क है, आपका टीम है।
At last, the mystery of mind is somehow solved. Why the educated youth choose these violent paths? Why the people of all age groups are on the roads?